And then we also can use a stopwatch. A stopwatch is going to measure the time, how long something takes to do. So I already had it. I was trying to already figure out how fast it took me to pour water into a container. And so that was just playing around with it. And that's just a stopwatch. It tells you how many seconds. The 4 is the seconds, and that's milliseconds right there. And then right here, it tells you, 10 seconds, and then it'll go to minutes. And that's going to be where we measure. Okay. We also have if we want to look at a microscope is going to show us how big something is. It's going to actually magnify it to make it show that how big something is, because that might be helpful when we look at really small things in science, like small rocks. And I'm going to make it a little bit, there you go. And so we look through the lens part in order to see something bigger, and that's a microscope. Now we also we have something similar to that you probably have used already, which is called a hand lens. And a hand lens can do the same thing. It'll help you see something bigger or smaller. It's actually going to magnify, so it's going to have everything show you something bigger. So I'm going to look at something bigger. Another thing that the last thing that we have is magnets. Now magnets are helpful because they help you get iron out of something, and they attract to things. They're going to help you attract or repel, depending on the pull of the magnet. And that can help you get iron out of things. See, this is where it repels. I can't put them together. And this is attract when it goes together. So they are also very helpful because it can help us get iron out of things. And if we need to pick up things that are small, it's very helpful with magnets. And this is where a lot of our science, or a lot of musicians use